So in this Kraken tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy Avalanche, ticker symbol AVAX, on Kraken. So once you open up Kraken, I want you to go to the bottom, which I'm on the Explore page right now, but if you're on home, for instance, go to the bottom, press on Explore, then go to the top and press on Search. Once you're here, type in ticker symbol AVAX for Avalanche. Once you see it, press on it. It's not working here. Let me just go ahead and press on it. Oh, just bear with me there. Once you're on the Avalanche page, just go to the bottom, press on buy AVAX or buy Avalanche. Then type in the amount you're looking to buy. So for this example, I'll just do $20. If all looks good, press on the purple arrow. Then on this page, you can check the amount, the price, the fee, the total. If all looks good, you want to proceed with the transaction. Go to the bottom and press on the purple confirm button to go ahead that way. Very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy Avalanche, ticker symbol AVAX on Kraken. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.